Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. Microsoft's stock fell 1.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The euro and Japanese yen held on to most of their overnight gains, having been boosted by US inflation data coming in less hot than feared and sending the dollar tumbling. Billionaire Masayoshi Son's SoftBank Group is expecting to post a $34 billion gain by cutting its stake in Japanese e-commerce giant Alibaba by more than one-third, as the Japanese conglomerate continues to unwind its most successful investment to date to bolster its coffers amid the uncertainty of China's regulatory crackdown. Gold prices fell as the US dollar and Treasury yields rebounded after comments by Federal Reserve officials pointed towards further interest rate hikes, despite signs of slowing inflation in the world's largest economy.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's current account at 0500 hours GMT. The US Export Price Index at 12:30 GMT.